What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect n8n to HubSpot. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in n8n. After typing, you will see this first official website of n8n.io. Click on this website and after that you would be redirected to this page of login or sign up. So if you are new here at n8n, on the right side click on get started and then create your account by writing your email, password and other credentials. But if you already have an n8n account, simply click on sign in and then you will be automatically signed in to the n8n cloud. After signing in or logging in, you will be welcome to the home page of n8n, wherein if you want to create a new workflow, you can click on create workflow on the right side, and here are the multiple options to create credential or create a workflow. You can create one of them. We will just simply create a workflow. I am not showing my recent workflows because then you will be confused. And if you are new here to n8n, it is better to create a new workflow. And after that, when you click on create workflow, you will be under this personal section and then you will see this first add first tab. Click on this and then in the search bar type in HubSpot and then you will see the HubSpot option here. Click on it once and then scroll a bit down. After that, you need to select some actions like create, if you want to create a company, delete a company, get the company, and here are multiple actions. You need to choose a single action from which you want to add it here on the n8n workflow. But if you don't want to add the action, you can add triggers which are of HubSpot. So like this, let's say I want to create a company, so I will add this section and then in the credential section click on the search bar and then click on create new credential. Now from here you can create your account with OAuth 2 or with your API key or your app token. I'll just select API key and then after selecting the API key in the new tab I will open the HubSpot developers account. In the HubSpot developers account, if you are new here, you need to just create a HubSpot developer account. And after that, you need to create one test account. Now, after creating the test account, you need to click on this test accounts. And then after clicking here on the left side, you will see this screw option of keys. Here you can see the developer API key or the personal access key. If we want to access the API key, so I'll just click on this developer API key. And this is my custom API key that I will just copy and paste it to n8n. So as you can see, I have copied and pasted my API key. I will just click on save. And then as you can see, credential successfully created. That means my connection has been successfully created with n8n and HubSpot. Here are some internet problems. That's why I'm facing this error. But overall, my HubSpot has been connected to n8n and I can access it. And when I am done by just creating the resource, the operation, and the name of the operation, and then I'll just add a property if I want. In the city section, I will just write the city. And when I'm done, I'll just simply click on execute step. And in the settings, if I want to turn these toggle buttons, I can turn on, and you can also turn on according to your requirements. When you're done, simply click on execute step and your connection will be executed. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.